it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a cleaning video. If you did not know, my apartment is a mess. And when I say a mess, I mean it is so bad right now. It just needs to be deep cleaned. So with all that being said, I thought it would be a good idea before the new year to just get on the right track, clean my whole entire apartment from the bottom to the top, and just make it spotless. So with all that being said, let's get into this video. I don't want to make a long intro. I just want to get to cleaning because it's so bad. I'm going to show you guys right now and you'll be like, Sam, what are you doing? And I'm going to be like, I don't know. I really don't know why it looks this bad. So with all that being said, let's get into this video. Comment this emoji if you're excited for Christmas or for the holidays, and let's just get to deep cleaning. So as you guys can see, my apartment looks a mess. Like I said, I don't really know why. All I know is that it needs to be fixed. So I think the first thing that I want to do is make my bed, because I think my bed is just making it worse. So I think if I at least fix my bed, it'll look a little better, and then we can move on to like cleaning the counters, cleaning the floor, getting everything away and stuff like that. But I do think that when my bed is messy, it just makes my whole apartment look messier. So I'm gonna start with my bed. Step one is done. I finally made my bed, and I do feel like it cleaned up this part of my apartment at least, because that was insane. There was like sheets on the floor, pillows on the floor. So even though my apartment is still really messy, at least the bed is made, and I got the pillows and blankets off the floor so that it looks a little more put together. The next thing I'm going to do is fix my wash. My wash is awful right now. I have so many piles of laundry that I have to do. I literally have no towels to even take a shower. So with that being said, I am going to flip over a load of wash and put it into the dryer and then start a new load, because I can't like have no towels. So we're going to do that, and hopefully that's done in like an hour or two so that I can actually fold all of that and put it away. I don't think my washer actually cleans the clothes because they're not wet at all. I did start the load of wash last night, but I don't think they would dry in the washer machine. So I'm gonna rerun that load because I don't think they're clean.
Problems. I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright without.
While we are waiting for my washer to actually clean the clothes this time, I'm going to tidy up my desk area. I want to at least get this side of my apartment completely clean first and then worry about the kitchen side, just because I feel like everything's everywhere and it's kind of stressing me out. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to put stuff like in the drawers where they should be, and I'll do like the surfaces and like cleaning everything with Windex and cleaning supplies after. First, I just want to get everything away and kind of like neat on the outside, and then actually scrub into like the surfaces and stuff like that. I just finished tidying up my desk, so now I'm going to fold all of the clothes. They're all over the floor, so I'm going to clean up this part. So I'm going to fold all of them, and then hopefully this side of the apartment will look better. Folded all the clothes that I said I was gonna fold, and now I'm going to empty the dishwasher and clean my dishes. My sink has been so messy, and there has been dishes in here for a while, so I want to clean this out and then put the new dishes that have to be cleaned in the dishwasher and put the ones that are in here away, just to kind of get everything more organized. And basically now we have to tackle this side of the apartment because that side is basically clean. So let's start this.
Struggle, and there's beauty in the pain. So if love is a struggle, I guess there's beauty in everything. There's peace in a heartbreak, and there's fire in the rain. So if everything means nothing these days, baby, then let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me.
now we have to clean my counter, which actually got a lot better. I have to put these away, I have to put this wire away, put like all that away, and then we are going to move on to the bathroom. Okay, so I just finished that. I have my boxes here. That's garbage. Those are actually full, so that has to go into my refrigerator. And then this is cardboard, which I have to throw out and separate the paper from it. Now, coming to my bathroom, I just want to put like a few of these things away. It's not that messy in here, but I just have like some things that I want like certain ways. So I'm going to tidy up my bathroom, and then we are finally going to be able to clean the surfaces. Now that all that is done, I'm going to just get some granite cleaner, some stove cleaner, and some like refrigerator cleaner, stuff like that, to just wipe down all the surfaces and then vacuum and just make sure everything looks really neat. I basically cleaned all my apartment. I just have to put the load of laundry that's right there into the wash when the wash actually finishes. It's taking a really long time. I don't know why, but basically I wanted to do this before the new year because I wanted to get off on the right start, and just having a clean and tidy space is something that really helps me get into the right spot and get into the right routine and just make sure everything is clean and organized so I can work. I work very well when I have a clean and organized space, so that's why I did this. But with all that being said, I feel a lot better. My apartment isn't like sparkling clean, but it's a lot more organized and the way I like it. So with all that being said, I actually have to go back to my accounting job now, so I will see you guys in my next video really soon. Bye.